Hello friends, now because I am in a nature, so I thought that today we are going to solve one mystery, that is life after death. So what happens to a life after death? So it's a question from last so many years. This question is there in the mind of people, and neither any scholars, neither Muslim scholars, neither Christian scholars have able to explain this. Even not as scientific studies have been able to explain till date. So when it comes to life after death, so yes, if you think that you are a Bharatiya, so if you want to understand that has been explained clearly by Hinduism. So I will not call Hinduism, because Hindu means the people which are living in between Himalaya and Indus Valley. So that is the reason why it's called Hindus. So when we say Hindus, all the people who are living in this area, they are called Hindus. So when you go to a Sanatan Dharma, and if you want to understand the core of Sanatan Dharma, so you have to read, there are two things are there, Shruti and Smriti. So Shruti and Smriti, Shruti means Smriti. First I'll tell you what is Smriti, because it is most popular in Bharati. Smriti means Ramayana, Mahabharata, all those story, because our scholars have already, Sanatan Dharma scholars have believed that his story is the very best thing to explain anything. So that is the reason why Ramayana and Mahabharata. But yes, if you want to understand the core of Sanatan Dharma, you need to understand Ved. Ved itself means a science, a study. So Ved, it is told that it is given by Creator. So everything has been explained, all science has been explained, especially when you talk about cosmic things and a thing like life after death, you will be able to understand this thing. It is written into the verse 336 in Yajurveda, and because Yajurveda reading, it's a difficult, because if you don't know Sanskrit, it is very difficult for you to understand. So what you can do, you can study one Upanishad that is called Kathopanishad. I'll just tell you, further you have to study, because you also need to do some work if you want to understand anything. I can just guide you. Kathopanishad is what? Because, oh sorry, plants, I've touched the plants because there are life in this. So, Kathopanishad is like that. There was a one rishi called Uddalav. So this rishi Uddalav wanted to attain heaven. He wanted to become a king of heaven, king of whole earth, Samrat. So he started one yagna. So that was called Vijay Yagna. So after doing yagna means you have to sacrifice something. Like every religion taught that you need to sacrifice whatever is valuable in your life. So he started sacrificing, giving dan to everybody, like all valuables. And then he has given cow. So kya hua? When he has given cow, the cow was in a very that body was in a very bad state. So she was, we cannot milk that, milking cannot be done, and she is unable to eat also. So his son, his name was Nachiketa. He was a different kind of child, not to play with all, what you call, play like a normal child. He used to learn about Vedas and all those things. So he used to tell that, father, don't you think that most valuable thing in your life is me, your son? So whom you are going to give me? So his father has ignored, because he know that child keep on speaking like this. If his father has ignored, then once again he has asked, don't you think that valuable in your life is me, Nachiketa? So whom you are going to give this valuable item? So father has ignored 10 times, 20 times, but he has keep on telling same thing. So normally it happens when we get frustrated, we normally tell, ja marja, go to heaven, ja marja, go to hell, or something like that. So I don't want to use that. He told that ki aap mrityu ko prapt ho jao. So Nachiketa thought that it's a father order. So what he has done, he has gone to Yam. It is called Yamraj. So Yamraj, when he has reached there at the gate of Yamraj, he found that Yamraj was not there. He has gone for 3 days. 3 days, maybe like to take a lot of soul from this world, maybe a lot of fights are keep on going, tsunami, corona and all those things. So he was not there available. So what happened, 3 days he was there without food and water. Then when suddenly Yamraj came, and that time they used to believe that if a Brahman son is there and if he is hungry at your door, so it's a pap, it's called pap karma. So he told that now I'm going to give you 3 boon, because he don't want to take that pap karma. So 3 boon, he told that I'm going to give you 3 boon. And so he has told that you ask 3 boon. So 1 boon he has asked that like I don't want to die. So when I'll go back to the earth, my father should recognize me and he should hug me with joy. So he has called Evam Mastu, means done, given. So then second thing, he got that you will be able to get free from life and death process, and you will attain moksha. So liberty, what you call. So done. So he is told that ask third thing. So third thing, what Nachiketa told Yamraj, ki I want to like understand what happens life after death. So Yamraj was stunned. He told that ki even like a lot of devtas, they don't know about this. So he told that, but still I like to know. He told that you take all valuables, I'll provide you all angels and all those things. I'm going to give you a lot of animals, elephant, horses. He told that all things are naswar. Matlab, it will not remain with me for a long time. I want to understand what happens life after death. And then what Yamraj has told to Nachiketa, that is called Kathopanishad. So if you want to understand the mystery of life after death, you can learn Kathopanishad, or maybe if you want, you can write in comment. I'll make another video which will I'll give you details, everything about what happens life after death. Exactly what is Atma, Paramatma, what is Suchma Sarir, Sthul Sarir, and all those things I'll be able to explain. So I think this is for the day. So enjoy every 24 hours which God has given. So present is the best present of your life. Thank you so much.